In this video, we're going to do a tour of room 521 at the Embassy Suites Airport at Miami International Airport. We stayed there on a park and cruise rate, and the transfer to the airport was excellent. It worked really well for us. So if you're needing a place to park and you want to do it affordably and you like to come in the night before, Embassy Suites is a great choice. This is a video of our room 521 at the Embassy Suites Hotel in Miami, Florida. And they had a park and cruise rate that was very affordable. You can see a nice, good-sized room. Lots of floor space. All around the bed, there's plenty of floor space. Easy access with a wheelchair. Look around again. Just, very nice room. We'll come in and check out the bathroom. So, this is the bathroom. You'll notice it is a tub, which makes it less than optimal, but it has plenty of rails. It has a handheld shower nozzle, and it has a transfer bench. So even for individuals that couldn't deal in general with a bathtub with a transfer bench, it should work fairly well. Again, for the toilet, it's a convenience height toilet. We have, again, plenty of rails. Everywhere you look in here, there are rails to hang on to. The suite is a 2-room. Okay, so we'll walk in to the living room. And we see we've got a couch, a chair. Again, the floor space is wide open. They have a table with 3 chairs and another sink. One TV in here, one TV in the bedroom. And so, like I said, a very nice property. Quite pleased with our accommodations.